Alright, quick plain English tour of how AI works. Imagine AI like a superpowered autocomplete. You start a sentence, it guesses the next word. Do that millions of times, it learns patterns that look smart. Under the hood, it's math. An AI model is a giant calculator with with neurons arranged in layers. Each neuron takes numbers in, Y multiplies by weights, adds them up, and passes a result forward. The magic is in those weights. How do the weights get good? Training. You feed the model tons of examples, text, images, audio, along with a goal, like predict the next word. It makes a guess, compares it to the right answer, measures how wrong it was. That's the loss. Then it nudges the weights to be a little less wrong next time. That nudging is called backpropagation. Try, miss, adjust, repeat, millions of times. For language models, the training data is basically giant piles of text. The model breaks text into tokens, chunks of words, then learns which token tends to follow which, in what context. Over time, it builds an internal map of patterns, grammar, facts, styles, vibes. When you talk to an AI, that's inference, using the trained weights to respond. You give a prompt, the model decodes your intent, predicts the next token, then the next, until it completes an answer. No internet search is required in that moment. It's pulling from patterns stored in its weights. Important part, AI is not thinking or understanding like a human. It's pattern matching at massive scale. That's why it can be confidently wrong, aka hallucinations. It sounds right because the pattern fits, not because it checked reality. Why is it so good now? Huge data sets, bigger models with more parameters, faster hardware, GPUs and specialized chips, plus tricks like attention, which lets the model focus on the most relevant parts of your input. Different AIs, different jobs. Vision models learn pixels and shapes to recognize images. Speech models map audio waves to words and back. Multimodal models mix text, image, maybe video, and audio. Strengths, speed, scale, consistency. Weaknesses, bias in data, lack of true understanding, sensitivity to how you prompt it. Garbage in, garbage out. How to get better results. Be specific. Give context. Give format. Give examples. Ask it to show steps or cite sources when possible. Keep it in its lane. Use tools or plugins for live facts. Bottom line, AI is a powerful pattern engine. Teach it with data, guide it with prompts, verify with your brain.